Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kids Learning. Kids, in today's video we are going to learn about the letter O. O. Kids, do you know how O sound? O. O. It's a capital O and it's a small O. Kids, let's learn more words that start with the letter O. Orange. Orange. O is for orange. Owl. Owl. O is for owl. Octopus. Octopus. O is for octopus. Onion. Onion. O is for onion. Oval. Oval. O is for oval.
Thank you for watching. To watch more like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel.